For healthy living, healthy diet. Yes, for healthy living, healthy diet. Guys, find out how I made. You see some drinks that also I made today. I drank this like 2 cup I drank, and one more to go. I will drink later in the evening. So find out what I have. Please pin your comment, like it, share it, and subscribe. Okay, keep watching. Thank you. Hi guys, this is the finished product of 7 grains I added. You want to find out how I made? Very delicious, highly fiber, healthiest, and instant, and it can boost your energy and also reduce your appetite. Sugar, it will help you to reduce sugar. So find out. You know what all it has? That is dates. Yeah, I put dates, almond, walnuts, cashews. Yeah, and yeah, find out. I'll show you in the video. Okay? Stay tuned. Please watch. See, today's our breakfast and brunch a little bit. I'm gonna make a fenugreek curry with I'll show you the step. Please keep watching my video. I'll show you how to make fenugreek curry, and I'm going to boil the egg, and with that quinoa rice with organic quinoa brown rice with garlic, and yeah, this fenugreek curry I'm gonna make today with rice. Today we are gonna eat all the healthy one, and I'm gonna fry this. It tastes very delicious. It has black sesame seeds and little cumin. Yeah, it is very, very delicious than buying the other brand. I love it. When I went to India, I got it from my hometown called Pondicherry. So look at my donut balls, guys. I use this coconut, grated coconut, whenever I want it. Okay. This is my jaggary. I took 3 of it, but I used only 1. Okay. Stay tuned for more videos like this. If you like it, please share it. Like it, share it, and subscribe. And look at the leftover grounded grains. It is roasted and ready to cook. Okay. Thanks for watching. I'm keeping this for me. Oh, do you like this? Come and taste in my home. You are invited to my house. Okay, you can taste my. So though you can't taste, so that's what I'm bringing so closer. You can taste my donut balls. Without guilt you can eat because fully healthy. It is made up of grains. Find out. If you miss in the beginning, find out what else I put. Okay? Thanks for watching. Hi guys, to that you saw that how I made this donut balls with 5-6 grains, and I have all the nuts ready and jaggary water ready. So I roasted cashews as well as coconut. So in the same pan, I'm gonna put this jaggary water. You have to add very little water. The water is too hot. To that, I'm going to add little tiny salt. Don't add too much salt because it's gonna be like a sweet, not that sweet, little tiny sweet donut balls. And after that, yeah, I'm going to add that cardamom and two, 3 cardamoms plus clove, 2, 3, just to give a taste, to add the smell and the taste, to enhance the delicious donut balls. Okay, so for any sweet dish, it is always good to use cardamom. I mean, if you like it. I'm not saying everyone has to. I'm adding cardamom, clove, with my mother's recipe. She loves to use cardamom and cloves very often with the ingredients, whatever. If you are weak or tired, it's better to eat a lot of grains and stay in health. I like to use whisk so it won't make clumps. Let the water be boiled. Slowly, I am going to add the grain, all the grain powder. See, the smell is coming. Actually, the real aroma is already here. So sweet and awesome. Everything is roasted, so you don't need to worry about cooking for a long time. I'm adding coconut flakes. Actually, people add gingery oil. They say it is very good for health. It is also a grain, right? Gingery oil, sesame seeds oil. That is actually sesame seeds oil. Let me taste. The salt is perfect or not? Perfect. 1 second, I'll be right back.